Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturer Muhammad Asfahairi bin Ahmad Farouk. Today I would like to present about topic friction. Uh, what is friction? Friction is a fundamental force that arises when two surfaces come into contact and resist each other motion. It is resistive force that opposes the relative movement of the tendency of movement between two objects in contact. Friction is not a fundamental force like gravity or electromagnetic force. Instead, it results from the complex interaction between the surfaces, irregularities, and the molecular attraction between the material. There are four types of friction: static friction, kinetic or sliding friction, kinetic rolling friction, fluid friction. So what the problem in this friction topic? The problem statement is the load cannot be lifted because the mass of the load is unknown. The force required to lift the load is also unknown. So using a pulley, we need to find a mass of the load to correspond to the predetermined force. Okay, what is the objective project? So the objective project for this topic so we can calculate the number of turn needed to achieve specific force condition. It is to and we can apply the back friction equation. And we also can determine the minimum and maximum weight of the load. Okay. Next, scope of study. There are three scope of study. One is tension distribution. We must analyze the relationship between tight side and slack side tension using the belt friction equation. Number two, key influencing factors. We must exploring the effect of the coefficient of friction, angle of contact, and material properties on system performance. Number three, the environmental effects. We must study how environmental condition and lubrication influence belt friction and wear. This project methodology is one, prepare the material that requires such as a box, stick, ropes, and a toy car. Number two, cut the box into four circle pieces. Next, glue between one piece of circle with one piece of circle, make it two pieces. Then we cut the rope 80, 80 centimeter. Next, we wrap the string between the two circle pieces. Number six, we tie the toy car to the end of the rope and stick a skewer into the circle pieces, then stick it on the box. And lastly, take reading and calculation from the result. Okay, this is the question of our project finding. Determine the range of value weighing of toy car that may be supported by a force of 7 Newton. Rope making 2.12 turn around the pulley. 2 and 12 2.12 turn around the pulley. The coefficient of friction is 0.5. Force is equal to 7N and the friction is 0.5. Pulley turn 2.12. And this is our calculation. One round of pulley is 360 to equal to pi radian. 2.12 round uh, times 2 point radian equal to 50.71 radian. For W to be maximum, 100 and 120 Newton force will be on the slack side or ST1. Then we calculate 7 times E times 0.5 times 50.71 equal to 180,000 and 50.70 Newton. For W to be minimum, 120 Newton force will be on the tight side or as T2. T1 equal to T2 divide E friction and 7 divide E, E times 0.5 times 50.71 equal to 2.7 2.7147 times 0.03 Newton. Eh. Next, the discussion result. The discussion result of the outcome of this research has proved when a load is pulled with a force using a pulley, the weight of load can affect the force required to lift the load. The required force can be found using several formulas such as Bell friction equation and weight formula. Also, by using that formula, we can know the minimum and maximum weight of the load. By using a pulley, the force required become less. So is the conclusion of this project is bell friction is essential in mechanical system using belt or rope to transmit force. As it determine the tension difference between the tight and slack side of the belt, the tension is exponentially related to the coefficient of friction and the contact angle around the pulley. Increasing the number of rep or the coefficient of friction improve the system load bearing capacity, while low friction or insufficient contact can reduce efficiency and performance. Understanding belt friction is key to optimizing the reliability and efficiency of such system. This is our reference and our project look like. Okay, that's all. Thank you.